Manny. Right, Manchester, what you saying? Oh fuck, there's a camera. Oh well, fuck it. Fuck yeah, man. Pretty sure if I ran across there, those two doors where those lights are, I bet they're both open, and that building's huge. Look how cool this is, man. The building's so open. There's no walls at all. I've even got a toilet. Luxuries. I've got a fucking tap. I can wash my hands. No, there's no soap. So close. I've used it all. Oops. I want a bedside table. Hotbox the toilet. See, look, when I'm actually down here on the hammock, I'll be lying back like this. It's pretty dark, do you know what I mean? It's just a little bit of light over there, but it's not direct, so cold chilling. All right, see you in the morning. Look, man, they've got a whole police lorry. Police horses in transit. What? I've never seen that before. This is the building I want to get into. I think that door right there is the goal. Only slight problem is that camera. That police lorry pulled up outside the site. What the fuck? Why would a police horse transport vehicle be at a construction site, hey? Still just see the top of the police lorry. I saw there was one of them actually on a horse a second ago. Urban camping, Manchester. Can you see just how many cranes are in this city? One last time for the view. Let's try hit some taller buildings. The plan is just to run. Yeah, boss. Yeah, cool, man.
Wait, excuse me. Hello?
Yeah?
Which company you work for?
I work for this company here. So what happened when I wasn't recording? I was chilling in a room, charging the camera, and then the security guard fucking came into my room. I just blanked and said that I worked here, and he said, oh, okay. He wasn't like trying to kick me out or anything. He went straight back downstairs, and for a second, I thought maybe this is still on. Maybe I can still do this, even though this guy knows I'm here. Oh, mate, it would have been so sick to get out there. Blagging skills though. What company do you work for? This company. Pretty good. The guy just looked genuinely confused. He wasn't angry at all. He was like, mate, can I speak to you as I'm walking away? Nah, I'm good, mate. Definitely work here though. And my fucking sleeping bag broke off my bag as I jumped over the fence. He's frozen. Shit. Cheers, man.
Going down.
Shit, man, there's a camera. A little bit of noise, but we're good. Come on, be open, man. Yes. Look at that. He's got a pair of binoculars in there. Dope. I love that. Oh my god, there's a pair of binoculars. No way. Oh, sick. Holy shit, man. Look at this. This is fucking awesome. Oh my god, I could see so far. That's the tallest building in Manchester where I was earlier. But this is pretty fucking big, bro. About level with that one over there. This is mad. Big up Manchester. Sheesh. I think there's a chance I've been seen. Alright, let's see if this is open. shit. If you were on the floor, you would have no idea the sunset's going on other than a bit of pink in the sky over there. That's the thing most people don't get in cities is sunsets because of all the high-rise buildings. So only those privileged enough to live in a high-rise building actually get to experience these sunsets. This is one of the reasons I do this stuff, because I don't live in a high-rise building. Is this the tallest building still under construction in Manchester at this moment? I think it might be, you know. I hadn't really thought about that until now. The tallest buildings in the city are just over there. But I've spent today going all around there, and those buildings are all complete apart from a couple little smaller ones in there, like the one I slept on, but they're definitely smaller than this one. That's fucking sick. I got some awesome pictures as well. Here's a couple of them now.
Oh, the security guard's washing his car. Interesting. What the fuck are you doing, mate? Security must be the most chill job ever. You literally don't do anything. You just sit in a fucking booth for hours and get paid.
Peace, Manchester.
Oh yeah, we still got to climb this stupid fucking fence. Fucking hell, man. That's a bitch, isn't it? Weird. Anyway, let's bounce. Lovely. Yo, what the fuck? There's a massive ring around the moon. I wish I could get it all in the frame, but I can't. I've literally never seen that in my entire life. What the fuck is that? Genuinely, I have no explanation for why that is. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera. I feel like you can't. Can we try and adjust the brightness?